News.
Morning, Yusek. With the very important cabinet secretaries, no less than the executive secretary and the budget secretary being removed from the cabinet at may mga undersecretaries being investigated for conspiracy to commit plunder, is there an internal investigation ongoing, considering that the scandal has possibly hit the high levels to the low levels of the bureaucracy?
Sa ngayon, wala pa pong pinapaabot sa atin kung may internal investigation dahil sabi nga natin kung ano man po ang issue patungkol sa flood control projects at infrastructure, nandiyan naman po ang ICI para mas maging independent po ang pag-iimbestiga.
Sinabi niyo rin po, baka may mga ibang cabinet secretaries, if they feel that they are involved, mas magandang pangunahan na mag-resign na lang. But aside from that call, is it safe to say at this point that everyone is under investigation?
Hindi ko po masasabi. Pinag-iisipan ko, parang wala po ang masasabi ng lahat ay under investigation. So, ang maaari lamang pong sinasagawa ng Pangulo yung performance ng bawat kabinete. At yun naman ay usual at regular. Pero kung patungkol po sa mga sinasabi natin maanumalyang flood control projects at wala naman pong nababanggit o nasasabi, parang hindi naman po kailangan mag-imbestiga patungkol dito.
Ma'am, with cabinet secretaries being made to resign or resignations being accepted as you announced, and seemingly given graceful exits, paano po masisiguro ng administrasyon that they will be made to stand investigation and eventually prosecution should it come to it?
Wala na po sa kamay ng Pangulo yan. Yan po ay maaari na sa kamay na po ng ICI, maaari na sa kamay na po ng Ombudsman, DOJ. Sila na po ang mag-iimbestiga.
Pero hindi ho ba by allowing them to resign, parang nabibigyan sila ng free pass na to escape accountability?
Wala pong pwedeng lumagpas. Kung kinakailangan po imbestigahan, private citizen, public official, kung kailangan imbestigahan, dapat imbestigahan.
Thank you.
Next question, Katrina Domingo, ABS-CBN.
Morning, Undersecretary. The former Executive Secretary denied that he resigned out of his own accord. So ano po yung totoong reason kung bakit po siya tinanggal at sino po yung nagpatanggal?
Muli, binanggit na po natin ang ating sagot at sila'y nagkausap na po. At sinabi nga po natin, pabayaan na po natin at sila naman po ay nagkausap na.
I'm sorry, hindi namin pwede pabayaan because the taxpayers who are funding the government and are actually paying the salaries of this administration is actually asking for the truth from the palace. Bakit po natanggal yung Executive Secretary at sino po yung nagpatanggal sa kanya?
Hindi ko po masasabi kung sino po nagpatanggal sa kanya. Binanggit ko po kanina na hindi ko po alam kung sinong kausap niya. Kung yun pa ang nababasa ng palasyo, dahil sinabit niya naman po ang sarili niya sa President's prerogative, yan lang po ang ating masasabi. At tinanggap po ang sinasabing resignation.
Okay, ma'am, just a follow-up question if you could not give us the exact reason for Bersamin's removal. The former Executive Secretary was not the first official who actually experienced this kind of treatment na parang they were caught by surprise with their removal. We saw the removal of Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong from the ICI. Also the removal of former DPWH Secretary Bonoan from his post. How does the palace actually explain the seeming trend of unceremonious removal of high-ranking officials in the Philippine seat of power?
Tanong po natin, tinanggal po ba si Mayor Magalong? Sino po ba ang nag-resign? Ang huli natin pagkakasabi tungkol kay Mayor Magalong ay ipapatignan, ipapacheck, ipapa-assess sa legal team kung mayroon ba na-violate. Wala pong nagpa-resign kay Mayor Magalong. Aksyon niya po yan, voluntaryo. Kaya hindi po pwedeng isama o sabihin na may unceremoniously call for his resignation.
Yung nire-raise po nitong mga opisyal na to is that nauuna lagi daw po yung yung announcement before they were actually called on or discussed yung issue with themselves. How does the palace respond to that? Na may parang gap in terms of communication within the president's inner circle?
Tandaan po natin, lahat naman po kami ay ang aming service ay upon the pleasure of the president. Sabi nga nila, pagpasok mo dito, hindi mo alam kung ito na yung huling araw mo. So lahat po kami dapat ay handa doon.
Next question, Ann Soberano, Bombo Radio.